Let's make a techno track for Christmas. Let's set the tempo to 126 BPM, and I'll start with a kick from my sample pack. Some open hi-hats. And some closed hi-hats. Guys, if you want to get the pack, the link's in the description. The pack has more than 200 samples including drum one-shots, drum loops, basses, synths, chords, and more. All the samples are made with the highest quality to make your work easier and to make your song sound better. We got the Christmas offers going on, so use the code DEAN30, that's D34N30 to get $4 off during this December. So if you're interested, definitely check it out. Links in the description. Before moving on to the other elements, we need to bring out that Christmas vibe by adding some sleigh bells. And some wind chimes. I'll add some reverb to this. Now let's make some piano chords. Always use a major scale, make your chord sound happy and jolly like this. I'll use kickstart to side chain this. Some EQ to take off the lows. And some slight reverb. Now I'll use a bass shot from my sample pack to make a simple techno bass line. I'll side chain this to the kick using a limiter. And let's add a sub-layer to this. I'll just side chain this and add some EQ. Then let's add some atmospheric pads. I'll use the same chord progression as the piano. I'll side chain this. Add some EQ. And some stereo widening. Now we need a guitar. I'll add some EQ to take off the lows and boost some highs. And some multiband compression. Then again I'll use Direct Wave's grand piano to make some chord fills like these. I'll take the lows off of this. And add some reverb. Then let's add some Christmas ear candy like these.
Merry Christmas! Merry...
Then let's repeat this for another 8 bars, and start with the second half of the drop. I'll use this chime sound as a crash. And add some exhausts to emphasize it. Then I'll add some claps from the pack. Let's now add some choirs to give the track an angelic feeling. I'll keep the choir pretty simple by just using dyads. Then let's EQ this to take off the lows. Add some saturation. And some reverb. Then I'll use this Glockenspiel to create a simple melody. Guys, when creating Christmas melodies, use downward movements like these to really bring out that Christmas sound. I'll just add some EQ to clear out the sound. Guys, since the drop is now done, let's move on to the intro and the build-up. We'll start with the kicks, the pads, the chord fills, the Christmas atmosphere, and after 8 bars the open hi-hats, the piano and the bass, and the church bells. I'll add the exhausts to transition into the build-up. And at the build-up will the guitars and the choir. I'll add these build-up drums from our sample pack. And some risers. Let's duplicate the whole track behind the drop, and make some adjustments to differentiate this from the first half. So guys, our track is now done. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and let's see our final result.